Take command of the road in the 2015 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.